at Farol here. You join me inside the John Deere 865M Gator. Just wanted to give you a quick run through the air conditioning system, which has been available now for around just over a year. Gators are a really popular choice, not only for gamekeepers but also generally in farms. In the R models they come as standard, in the M's it's optional. So just turn the ignition on. Just like in a car, you've got your fan speed, temperature, and then also your positioning. So just turn that on, for example, small button here, just press that, activates your air conditioning. Normal temperature control just on a dial, and then your positionings. So for the windscreen and feet, so I know if you're shooting and feet have got a bit cold while you're standing in the field, face and feet, and then also just on your face. So really handy whether it's hot or cold, whether you're out on farm or estate or gamekeeping, or even if you just want one to drive around in. Obviously we do them fully road ready, and the new plastic doors make it like being inside a car, which is really great. And again, just like a car, you can move your vents round so that you can get it to work for how you want your comfort, really. So great for going out and about in the hot and in the cold. And also another thing, put your radio in there, so if you've got long days out and about, sorted. So why not come down and have a look and see what you think.